we're back at my little test stand. I had another idea. We talked earlier about the rectifier being able to take digital plus or minus and giving us a plus signal on any time power comes in, regardless of polarity. We've proven that out. Then I had this boost buck converter there taking whatever track power was down to 5 volts. I now have a 5 volt chip. It's a 7805, and it takes input and cranks it down to 5 volts fixed. You can't adjust it. It's fixed 5 volts. So this will take track power to 5 volts regardless of the polarity. Uh-oh, I didn't check that, did I? Uh-oh, I may have to go the other way around. Yeah, because it is, I'm pretty sure it's polarity sensitive. Oh. Okay, and I did the test backwards. Okay, at any rate, I'll do it anyway, then you can see what happened. Okay, so I got this as a 5 volt regulator. It'll come in after this guy, obviously. Okay, so let's see what happens. The light is on, and what I did then again, I changed the polarity coming into the rectifier. I put negative there and positive there, and voila, it comes on again. So this polarity thing still works. This does regulate to 5 volts, but I got to switch their positions because it's sensitive to where the polarity comes in. So it's going to come in here at track power. It's going to go through here and get regulated down. That's it. I got them turned around. No problem. I'll do this again and send it to you. Include it. I'll just include it. Okay. I just paused it and I came back. I flipped this around now. So this is the rectifier that will take power of any voltage, of any direction in the center, and it will output only positive here and negative here. Then I've run that positive into the pin number 1 and pin number 2, and then I'm tapping off of pin number 2 for common and pin number 3 for hot down to my light. So when I plug this in, you'll see the light comes on, getting power one way, then I flip the polarity and the light comes on again. Voila! Now I will have just 2 parts on this board to send a constant 5 volts with track power on, no matter what the range of the voltage is on the track. 5 volts goes to the relay, and that 5 volts should be enough to trigger the relay and clean enough that it'll drop out when the track power is cut. That's the whole idea, is to get a nice clean puff and chuff capability, because and that's all part of making sure this thing is doing what it's supposed to. That's what it's supposed to do. But I can do it with just 2 parts. Isn't that amazing? Finally get a break here. Instead of reinventing all this stuff, I can use parts. You know, I'm not that skilled at some of this stuff, but I am learning. Okay, so that's what I'm going to work on now, is a two component board for conversion of power for the relay, period. Okay, I'm on that. That's the story, Morning Glory. See what we can come up with. Later.